DJI has announced an event called Carry Less, Capture More, set for November 26th at 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and it's got everyone talking about the DJI Mic Mini. The teaser shows a compact, cube-shaped device, and it matches up with leaks we've seen recently. Just a few days ago, leaker Jasper Ellens shared details about the microphone's battery capacity, and Quadro News with more photos. If this is the Mic Mini, it's shaping up to be something creators are going to love. Here's what the leaks reveal. The Mic Mini is said to weigh just 10 grams and starts at €59, around $62. It's rumored to come in versatile bundles that include dual transmitters, a charging case, adapters, and windshields. Battery life? You're looking at 10 hours over Bluetooth, with an additional 48 hours provided by the charging case. That's a lot of recording time for such a tiny device. If the leaks are accurate, this could be DJI's way of offering a strong contender in the budget audio space. Of course, if you're willing to spend more, the original DJI mic is still out there for $159, with more advanced features to justify the price. What do you think? Is this shaping up to be your next audio upgrade, or will you wait and see what else is out there? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Peace out.